Welcome to Joomla Intel tutorial videos.
Okay. Now, if you want to use the VTU press in Ghana, as you see it, this VTU press, you click on it. After you have buy it from a licensed vendor, like WordPress, VTU.com, you have buy it from a licensed vendor, and you are sure you are not using it. You are not using a directed copy. You have downloaded it from the website and obtained license for their authorized vendor. Then you click VTU press. Now that it opens, so we go to settings. Settings is there. Go to general. Okay, it opens like this. Under this country here, that is where you will change it. It will be in Nigeria by default. You will change it. But once I've changed it, you cannot change it back to. So, having done that, the next thing is that you now come here. Once I've confirmed that it is in Ghana, having done that, change it to Ghana, and then you are saved. And coming down here and doing the same but then you now come up here under the gateway, click import export import API. If it is not there, contact your vendor. You may have to pay to have it. Not only it's not available for everybody. So you have it, congratulations. So you click there, click data. Now check. Remember, under gateway settings, not gateway, under gateway settings. Now, just this data map is what is obtainable for Ghana. So, let's, now, after that, now come down, now come back to gateway settings, up to data. So, indirect. So here you click direct it. So let's see. So, now come back to download. Enter your API key that you have received from data mats. API key that you have received from data mats. Enter it. You enter the API key. You enter it. So what that apply? Now, you still have to do something. All this MTN balance, they also you put it. For this low, we have to change that go to 80 premium per seat here. 80 premium. What I mean is that you put the balance, USSD balance, to change the balance, you put it for 80 premium. And then for this line number, put for Telcel here, as you can see. And then for Airtel, Airtel is taken away to now you don't have to come down here and start putting prices on the They're going to put Ghana city there, but if you like, you can put it there. But it's not compulsory. Don't pay the price. And the one you are now, let's agree that I put, let's say, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's have that. 6. So now I can now already fight. So I can already decide. So I click on data transfer instance already by itself. So the activity here is in CD. You can now come down here and place by data. So I see some prices again to say let's be different and the absolute values. So we come like this. So I just put the same number. 2 but it does, and I will just click purchase. Enter my PIN. You must have set the PIN by default at that bank. So now, so set your PIN. Come under user. To set your PIN, you come under user here, or then we have there, yeah, demo user. So you click on the info, and then I can now change the PIN from here. So whatever I So yeah, when I click on purchase, I don't need to have to give from the table. But the API is not. That will not go. Now this view URL, you can remove it by coming to this. If I come back to the settings. So for the name, you come and choose the filter name. Maybe you change it to AP whatever that you need to Ghana. That will help. But don't know the way you are arranged. Okay. And then make you to allow you to go back. So you come down here, you see the electrician IDY button. Because the Y is trying to when you are testing. For instance, it doesn't work in front of the device. Where some process but so you can read it. So tell you what actions there. But now we want to hide it now. Hide the Y button from reader. Yes. So let's check. Y button You are, it's only there because I'm an admin. If I log in as a user, it shouldn't be this. Then if I log out, I'm logged in as a user. So let me log in as a demo user. Right clicking the Y button is so so just not there. Not there. It's only there for what do you call? It's only there for admin. Now, this bypass number the validator is advisable to solve this on, and it's also not advisable. This is what happens. If it's meant to serve the purpose of let's assume a number again a number let's assume a number has been ported to another network, or the number series has not been recognized by VTU, and the number series has not been recognized by VTU Press because VTU Press always its number series. Maybe for instance in Nigeria 0805 0802 is Airtel, 0803 is MTN. Now assume that I buy the line as a blue number 0805, but when I'm no more interested in a blue, I ported the number to Airtel, or I ported MTN to blue. Once I enter my number, if it is in Nigeria and I enter it like this 986514130, by default this is the 9 mobile number, but it has been ported to Airtel. It should be telling, and I now put, instead of me to select this as 9 mobile, I now put it as Airtel that I ported it to, which interest will not allow it to do. But by the time I click this bypass number validator, if you know that I know what I'm doing, it will allow you to understand that I know what I'm doing. But a situation whereby I mistakenly enter Airtel number on the MTN network, and I now put, but that I'm saying that it's not advisable, and I now put bypass number validator, and I now send it. It is sent to send the Airtel number to MTN, and because it's not MTN number, the respect will not receive data, and when the respect does not receive data, you have to contact your provider. If they can make a refund, fine. If they cannot make a refund, it means that the money are gone for this mistake of this bypass. But if you really know what you are doing, if you know that the line is not, the number is not meant for the network that is was registered for, then you can click it and click on purchase. So thank you very much for your time. That's fine. And whenever you want to do a VTU website, or needing any WordPress plugins or things, always contact WordPressVTU.com.ng. We will give it to you at a very cheap price. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe now, like and comment on the topic you would want us to treat next. Thank you in anticipation.